Hey guys! In this video I will show you how to make 4 cute easy paper gifts. We will be making stickers, decorations, and thoughtful gifts such as hidden messages and personalized playlists. The materials for individual crafts will be listed down in the description. Without any further ado, let's get started. So for the first paper craft, we're gonna be making this cute miniature record that holds a specific playlist in its sleeve. I start by drawing a circle on a piece of cardboard, which will be the record. You can also do different fun shapes, such as heart. Cut the record out and paint. I'm painting mine records with black acrylic paint and decorating the middle with red. Then I'm also using specific nail stickers according to the topic of the playlist. So for winter playlist, I used this glove sticker. Now you just want to make a sleeve for the record with colored cardstock. I leave some tabs on the sides so that you can glue it together later, and cut out a circle on one side that you then cover with thin plastic sheet. I secure mine with tape. Then you can decorate your sleeve, assemble it, and add in your record and a written playlist. And the first gift is done! The second craft is a scratch-off cookie with positive affirmations for my friends. I start by cutting out hearts out of cardboard and then writing a nice message on them. Then I cover the writing with a tape and trim off the excess. Then right on the tape, I paint on with acrylic paint for the frosting, and meanwhile it's still wet, I sprinkle on some nail decorations. And once the acrylic is dry, it can be scratched off to reveal the writing. I also make a box for them with cute details, such as this barcode that has the shortcut for "I love you so much" in it. This next project is for flower lovers. I take an empty paper tube, mine was a washi tape holder, and cut it to the size of a flower pot. Then on one side I glue on a paper strip for the rim and also glue paper to the bottom. For the soil I mix white glue and craft sand, and when it's still wet I add in my decorative paper flowers. You can either make or buy these. After the soil is dry, paint and decorate the pot however you like, and your flowers are ready. The last project is super easy yet effective, and it's handmade custom stickers. Start off by printing out or even drawing things you would like to turn into stickers. Then grab a baking paper and stick on a layer of tape. Then on top, lay out your cutout designs and cover it with another layer of tape. Cut the designs out, leaving a little border around them. This is so that the design stays sealed in and can act as the actual sticker. And you're done! When you want to use the sticker, simply peel off the baking paper and stick on whatever you like. And that's it, guys. Those were 4 fun crafts you can make for your loved ones. Me personally, I'm going to give these out to my friends in university to sweeten their semester. Thanks for watching!